Good morning, April. It's David Husted with Ken Garff Honda Downtown. Hey, wanted to send you a quick video of this Mazda 3 2.3 hatchback. White with black interior. I believe it's got about 120,000 miles on it. We'll verify that in just a moment. Tires seem to be in good condition. Now, we just got this vehicle, so it has not been detailed, and we'll still send it through our service department and make sure everything checks out well on it. So now there are a few scratches and whatnot, but I mean, to be expected for an older used vehicle. But the body is clean. There's no major dings or dents, so that's good. Got power windows, power locks. I mean, for a 15-year-old car, it's in pretty good shape, actually. No check engine lights. It's got 121,884. Air conditioning. Got cruise control, hands-free audio controls. CD player, AM, FM, satellite radio. Not a bad looking car. Anyways, here is the video of the 2006 Mazda 3 2.3 hatchback. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.